Hey, have you ever wished you could make your own comic but thought it looked way too complicated? What if I told you you can make one in just a few minutes and it actually looks professional? Stay with me because this will blow your mind. All right, let's jump in. Step 1, prepare the prompt. I've already created a super long, super powerful comic making prompt just for you. It's on my website, link is in the description. Don't worry about the length because you only need to fill in 3 simple things. Title, literally any title you want. Example, love, career, and coffee milk. Target audience, super important because your comic style will match the audience you choose. For example, millennials. And aspect ratio. Let's say you want 4x5, just type 4x5. Want something else? Type whatever you want. That's it, 3 things. The rest, ChatGPT will handle everything, even keeping the characters consistent across every page and panel. Once you've filled those in, all you have to do is copy the prompt, head over to ChatGPT, paste everything, and hit send. After that, ChatGPT will instantly generate a complete multi-page comic prompt for you, with every page neatly separated in its own code block so you can copy them super easily. Step 2, generate your comic. Here comes the fun part. Once ChatGPT gives you the comic prompts, just grab all of them. They'll automatically go to your clipboard so you don't have to switch back and forth. Then, open Google Gemini and jump into the Create Images with Nano Banana Pro feature. Paste the first page of your comic prompt, send it, and in just a few seconds, you'll see your first comic page appear like magic. After that, just keep going. Paste the second page, then the third, and continue until all your pages are done. Before you know it, your entire comic will be complete. And honestly, it looks seriously amazing. Pretty wild, right? A few minutes ago, you had nothing, and now you've got a fully illustrated comic that you created. So, ready to try it yourself? Because trust me, once you make your first comic, you're gonna want to make 10 more. Let's go.